So guys, today I'm going to take you in this amazing machine called SHERP, which is here from Ukraine. So look what I'm taking you in.
Yes, driver.
It's all automatic. See what kind of journey we are going to do today. Come.
Yes.
Oh my. Crazy, you're really crazy. As you see, we are in the middle of a river here, and
it's
this
floating.
SHERP is floating, and you can kind of just sail through a river in this SHERP. I mean, this is mind blowing. See, this particular machine over here, just with a few simple measures, you can just make it float in water. Just by pressing this, you will be on water. By this, you can switch on the cabin lighting, and it has an air conditioning too. This is where you go, this is where the machine goes on reserve if your battery goes down, and you have fuel heating, water pumping, LED light bar.